it's really windy today. Hi. I haven't filmed in a while. And it's a beautiful day.
Yeah.
You know, what better way to come back with a video with a dog? The sound quality is gonna be so bad. Oh yes. Very cute. Hey buddy, we can't go to other people's houses. They didn't invite us. Okay, we're gonna attempt to get some photos with Bun Bun, so. My hair is.
Our dog is Mandarin.
What did you just say?
I think the dog is Mandarin. Let's go for
I feel like sneezing.
Let's go.
My hair is so messy. Bye bye, come on. Go. Ow. Where's he go?
Right there.
This reminds me of grade 7 when you do all those stars.
I know this.
What was it? Wait, let's try.
It was like,
Wait,
we
come.
need more people though. It goes like this. And it's like,
No. Oh, no, 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 no. You know, just me and my buddy here.
laying down. Really?
The house is like right there. I don't know if I'm pointing it right, but like, yeah. Bun Bun, do you have anything to say to these people? Change of plans. So we did make it home, but the problem is we have to go pick up our little cousin now. It's like a 5-minute, 10-minute walk, I think. Okay, clearly I don't know this area, but my friends all live here and now my cousins also. I think if I remember correctly, there's like a little shortcut up ahead. So, I mean, shortcut to the, yeah, there's a shortcut to the school, so we'll try that. I'm too old, I can't move. Come on, let's go pick up some kids. I mean, a kid. We're not picking up a couple.
Wanna go get this?
Oh, my little cousin is so cute. She's so cute, isn't she? Let's go.
Oh my god. Wait, do it again. Wait, I see you. Move a little to your right. To your left. Yes, 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 there.
Not gonna lie, we're a little nervous.
There's gonna be a lot of kids and we don't know how to deal with children.
Yeah. Oh, we've got one that just fell on the grass. I used to take that bus.
You
every
do?
day. Yeah, I used to take that bus.
For the kids.
There's so many children, I'm scared.
Shiba.
書包一路啊，呢度不好意思啊，大隻嘅。哇！你好中意我咧，我都好中意你喎。
Look who it is! It's little It's a little baby! How was school today? It was normal. Did you make any new friends today?
No.
No?
I
Why?
have all the same friends since grade 3.
Oh, what grade are you now?
5.
Oh, you're such a cute little.
Ah!
So Ethan's really good at taking photos.
No, I'm not.
Here you go.
It's windy. Pay me now.
To what?
I took it for you.
Okay.
I always do it for you.
I know, because you're such a good little cousin.
Oh yeah, did you show them the picture of when I took Bun Bun peeing and you weren't even ready? You could see, like my ears like glowing. I'm playing.
Oh my gosh, I feel like my kids are growing up. And you're not even my kids.
Oh my, I look so creepy. At my school, so then like the lights were on, she was talking, and then it was like a zoo, and then the lights went out, and then it came back on. And then everyone was screaming because we were watching a movie during lunch.
We went to the movie theaters this morning, and
Stupid her.
we were gonna watch The Joker. I don't know.
And there was a power outage. I wasn't there.
He wasn't there. I don't know why he's so excited. But yeah, we like sat down, and I was so nervous because I can't really do psychological thriller movie thingies. So I was a little nervous about watching it. Oh, your face is gone. Wait, oh, there. So I was a little nervous just because I'm scared of like those kind of movies. Joker, and then.
You're scared? We still have it.
Okay, cool.
Have it?
Anyways, there's a power outage, so they ended up giving us like these free tickets because we didn't actually watch it.
I don't get to watch. My mom said tomorrow after English, can you pick me up and watch Maleficent? Hello.
How do you power on? Ooh, that's on.
TikTok.
What?
What's TikTok? Did you just ask that?
I know what it is. I have the app, but I don't go on it.
Okay, I only taught him one. Okay.
What?
I give Anson. I give it a 4.75. 5 out of 10.
Can I rate? I don't know.
We're about to do a TikTok challenge with these two kitties. Wait, this is my teammate.
Oh, hell no.
Okay, and we've got our judge.
Better professional.
No,
Gets to
loser
choose.
gets to pity.
What do you mean?
Loser gets to go first.
So,
I mean,
okay.
loser goes last. Yeah.
Oh, so you want to win? No, I don't know.
Yeah, you want
If
it.
you win, you can pick what you want. Ready?
Shoot?
No shoot.
No,
Rock, paper, scissors.
You basically.
Oh.
Let's go.
Okay, you can pick. Do you want to go or not?
We'll watch you guys first.
Okay, we just learned this. I'm so nervous. Here, we'll practice. Go.
Hey, I got muscles like Superman train. Hey, real rare like Super Saiyan Mega. I stomp on Lucifer's sage. Now I got a few rings on Jupiter's gate.
Okay, I feel. Oh gosh. Okay, let's oh yeah, plug in your TikTok.
It's Sanddragon with 3 N's.
Yes, Sanddragon with 3 N's. I don't have an account, but feel free to send me any links because I like watching them.
He's about to roll, guys.
What's your feedback on ours?
I think it's a little rusty, like not as good as, like the footwork could use some more skills like me and Ethan's. But like, if you join our master class, you'll be fine. So I think it's on a scale out of 10, maybe be like a 3, but.
Why did he?
What's your review on the second TikTok?
It was good, but one person messed up.
I think it was amazing, but again, with our master class.
Hey, calm down.
So,
He bit Ethan. Go ahead. Mama.
Quick, come in.
so like number 1, what do we think?
It was good, but they could use some work and join our master class.
Oh my gosh, master class.
And then number two, it was not good. Not good. Nah, it was good. It was the best, but again,
Also your master class.
Join our master class.
yeah,
Okay, so what's your final verdict?
3.
that both of them should just like join our
Your master class.
Okay, who do you like?
Wait, you won't hate me or you won't hate me?
I will the other one.
2,
All
1,
black.
2.
Hey, everyone.
Woo!
Nice.
I'm hurt.
Oh na na na.
Oh, na na, oh, na na, oh, na na,
Oh na na na. Do do do. Can I put it here? Oh my god. Okay,
No,
maybe
you can't put it there.
here. I'll put it right here. Tell me everybody.
A ball of hair.
Okay, he's like,
Why are you sitting?
Oh my gosh.
paw?
Okay. Hi. Okay, well, that's the end of this video. Oh.